if you need extra sleeping space or your kids love sleepovers. This twin-over-twin bunk bed is perfect for your home. High quality. Solid pine legs and a strong, durable frame ensure stability and durability for long-term use. Slat kit included so box springs are not required. This bunk bed is designed with a clean silhouette and a hue of elegance. It suits all styles of home decoration and completes the look of any bedroom. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. The perfect option for kids. The bunk bed takes up minimal space for the spontaneous sleepover guest. Functional and aesthetic. This bunk bed will enhance any bedroom, no matter what style your room is. This bunk bed is a great choice for your kids. Number 2. Trundle Bunk Bed with stairs. This twin bunk bed provides an extra trundle option and 4 spacious storage stairs. The trundle bed is great for accommodating kids' sleepover guests and friends. 4 storage drawers for you to store your clothing. Super organized bunk bed to family's ultimate demands. Number 3. Modern and sturdy bed frame. The bed frame is crafted from high-quality solid pine wood. Solid pine legs and a strong, durable frame so that the bed is sturdy and durable. The upper bunk has high rails to ensure secure and worry-free nights. The fixed ladder has wide treads that are easy to climb up and down. The slats work with any mattress with the necessary support. Number 4. Flexible settings and convenient use. Wheels at the bottom allow the trundle to be pulled out smoothly and effortlessly. Overall dimensions: 91.3 inches length by 42.4 inches width by 65.7 inches height. Number 5. Easy assemble bed frame, easy to put together with clear instruction. No box spring required. Top bed, Trundle bed recommended mattress thickness: 6 inches, under recommended mattress thickness 8 inches, and so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.